we're driving on the wrong side of the road towards oncoming traffic. That's a solid move there, Cotton. Right, Noah?
Yep.
What are we driving in here?
My brand new GMC Sierra 1500 SLE 1500. I said that 2017. Got it about a month ago.
And I have to say, I'm sorry Ford guys, but real men drive GMCs, so you know we had to ball out. We're not like Aiden Pasluzni, but also word of the wise: do not get two farmer's egg wrap things because that's a bad idea. All right, guys. So while Noah speeds on a dirt road with potholes everywhere, we are on the way to Delta Marsh here in more western Manitoba, just underneath Lake Manitoba. We're gonna go after some carp, some quillbacks, maybe some sucker, maybe buffalo are in there. I kind of doubt it now, but try to get Noah master, and we're gonna try and get hopefully maybe a specialist going here. We'll see. Never really targeted carp like crazy, but this kid, I should also mention, missed 2 turns. So yeah, he's getting used to driving. Anyway, guys, we're gonna have some fun today. We're gonna have some sore arms, hopefully, and hopefully there's not any yakapos that are there already. So, so yeah, stay tuned. Let's go. Okay, I'll get one fish on camera and then I'll upload all the camera stuff.
Can I pop that on?
It's up to you. Noah, behind us have a fish on. Oh. There you go. You had him. Maybe there's a few sitting under here. Oh. And he broke me off. All right. Yeah, I think they're. Well, he broke me off pretty fast. Maybe they might. Whoops. There you go. Big one?
No. Oh, you gotta grab that.
Yeah. Oh yeah? Oh, you're a tiny guy. And you can lip him to it. Oops. There you go. That's a carp. Okay. Don't bend your rod too much, keep in mind. There we go, now. Maybe a little bit, yeah. But he's gonna run a few times, so be careful.
See,
this is what we want. Let's go.
He doesn't feel that big though. Oh, okay, I feel him a lot now. He's pissed.
Like I said, don't horse him in. Okay, I might go on that side of you.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's a good one. Oh, a good one. That is a big. That's a big carp, dude.
Yeah. I would just put my phone in the
Oh, no, grab your rod, grab your rod.
My bail.
Okay. Okay. Bail's open?
Bail's open.
Okay, he's well over 30. Okay. Put him on the, we have to do it properly though. Okay, now hold on, do a photo of him. Don't do him too high off the ground though. Okay, I'm in 0.5.
Okay.
Yep.
Do one more.
First master. I already got it. First master, first fish. Don't do him too high. Yeah.
Slime.
Yeah.
That's my first carp, Nathan.
Why are you scared? You were holding scarier fish yesterday.
Oh, there's one.
Carp?
Probably, yeah, that's not moving. He bit it too. Oh, he came off.
Actually?
Yeah. I'm sorry. I was watching the beaver and then all of a sudden I had a fish bite.
Dude, stop pulling, stop pulling.
Oh, I got freaking smacked there. Okay, I finally got him.
Did he bite you?
I think so.
Is that a carp?
I don't know.
It's like swimming right through.
If it's a carp, it's small. This feels horrible with a bait caster, not gonna lie.
Really?
Yeah. It's so hard on the forearms.
I think it is a carp.
What the heck is that, dude? Ooh. Okay, he's off. That farmer sausage wrap's calling my name again. That was so good. No, I got your present. It's a plastic. I'm just gonna put back on NED rig. No, we want to grab the net. He's tiny. I'm not gonna take a picture, I'm just gonna let him go. I'll just drop him back.
You good?
Yeah, thanks. What are you doing over there?
On the tile.